Welcome to Get Cooking in Cloud, where we share the best recipes to apply in your cloud kitchen. I am Priyanka Regadia, and in this episode, we will talk about creating websites on Google Cloud using virtual machines. Listen, one of the great things about being an engineer is that we get to have complete control over so many aspects of the things we develop. And for a lot of you out there, this extends to the websites you develop too. Let's say you need something more advanced than a static site, but need more control than what our managed services offer. To get more control with the same power, you can use Compute Engine. It is important to note that a well-designed web application should scale seamlessly as demand increases and decreases, and be able to withstand the loss of one or more compute resources. But a truly resilient and scalable web application requires planning. Let's see how to build one. When a user requests your website in the browser, their request ends up on your DNS provider. In this case, we're using Google DNS, which is a highly available domain name service. The network traffic is routed to infrastructure running on Google Cloud. If you use your own DNS provider, then the request will land there first, and then the DNS provider routes the traffic to Google Cloud. Then, if the request is for content that is cached, it is delivered by CDN. In this architecture, we are using Cloud CDN, a global network of edge locations. Requests are automatically routed to the nearest edge location, so content is delivered with the best performance. You can integrate with any other third-party CDN of your choice as well. Static content used by the web application is stored on Google Cloud Storage, which is a highly durable storage infrastructure designed for mission-critical and primary data storage. HTTP requests are first handled by Cloud Load Balancer, which automatically distributes the incoming application traffic amongst multiple Compute Engine instances. If you use HTTPS, the SSL session is terminated at the load balancer and requires at least one signed SSL certificate. Web applications, including the application server and the web server, are deployed on GCE instances. Deployment and scaling is done automatically and seamlessly by using instance templates. An instance template is a specific customized configuration of Google Compute Engine instances that facilitates the reuse of instance configuration by using managed instance groups. To learn more about instance groups, check out the next episode. To store application data, you would use a database. The relational database used in this example is Cloud SQL. Cloud SQL is a fully managed database service that makes it easy to set up, maintain, manage, and administer your relational data in cloud. It automates all your backups, replication, patches, and updates. Now that you know how the web application architecture is set up, what happens if our website gets really popular and the traffic grows from hundreds to millions of users? Well, we need to make sure that our application can gracefully handle peaks and dips in our traffic. One way to increase capacity to handle peaks is to scale vertically by adding more CPUs and memory to the same instance. This means that vertical scaling will be limited based on the capacity of a single machine and its size. Horizontal scaling, on the other hand, is a better option for high availability applications because it allows you to scale the number of compute resources dynamically as the demand increases. The idea that the application's resources can increase or decrease requires that it has a means by which you can add or remove instances from a service. But how does adding or removing instances automatically work? Tune in to the next episode to find out. Today we learned how to deploy a web application on Google Cloud using Compute Engine. That's all for today on Get Cooking in Cloud. Here's hoping you can whip up something great. Join us next time because we will share the recipe to scale your compute engine applications to millions of users. If you like this video, then check out the previous episodes too. And to see more such content, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.